What if your bank looks trustworthy on the outside, but quietly limits your financial freedom behind the scenes? Most people get this wrong, but here's why choosing the wrong bank can cost you time, money, and peace of mind. Today, we're doing an honest review of First Citizens Bank so you know exactly what to expect before opening an account. First Citizens Bank is one of the largest family-controlled banks in the United States and has been around for more than a century. It offers personal checking and savings accounts, business banking, loans, mortgages, and credit cards. On the surface, it looks like a full-service bank for everyday people. One of its biggest strengths is stability. It operates thousands of branches and ATMs across many states, which is comforting if you prefer in-person banking. The mobile app allows you to check balances, transfer money, deposit checks, and pay bills. You won't believe what happens next when you realize how much daily banking can be done without visiting a branch. However, most people get this wrong by assuming all banks offer the same fee structure. First Citizens has monthly maintenance fees on some checking accounts unless you meet certain balance or direct deposit requirements. Over time, these small fees can add up. Customer service experiences are mixed. Some customers report helpful staff and smooth transactions, while others mention long wait times and slow issue resolution. This can depend heavily on your local branch. The surprising truth is that First Citizens is best for customers who value stability and branch access, but it may not be the cheapest option for digital-first users. If you want a traditional banking experience with modern tools, it's worth considering. Subscribe now for more honest banking reviews that help you choose wisely.